Business teams do not need another AI that answers every question. They need one that knows which evidence can answer, and refuses to invent the rest. This is SPI Knowledge Miner. Market evidence is fragmented across behavioral data, surveys, and research. Each source has different definitions, sample limits, and release rules. Knowledge Miner turns those constraints into a usable decision workflow. Every industry begins with a common mobile app and web context. The data in this public demo is synthetic, but the product behavior, disclosures, and gates are real. The free view provides historical context, while the paid preview demonstrates how newer periods could be packaged without granting access. The user starts with a decision, not a dataset. Knowledge Miner converts that context into a question and checks it against governed evidence. Now the important part. When I ask for a market share prediction and a person-level target list, the product refuses. It explains the boundary, creates a deterministic local refusal receipt, and keeps evidence access disabled. Designed restraint is the core feature. When I replace that request with a supported aggregate question, the evidence passport shows exactly what will support the answer. 3 synthetic aggregate evidence objects: freshness, audience, aggregation level, permitted claims, prohibited claims, privacy flags, and a local match receipt. The buyer journey can then reach a controlled request simulation, but the demo cannot send information, charge money, grant entitlement, create a client record, or release evidence. Those remain explicit human decisions. GPT-5.6 and Codex helped build and verify this meaningful build week extension. The public buyer journey, the evidence passport, deterministic match and refusal receipts, responsive review, and 75 governance and leakage checks. The product owner retained every product, safety, and release decision. SPI Knowledge Miner makes evidence-backed AI useful precisely because it knows when not to answer.